I'll get you through the process of getting a refund on PayPal and tracking your money until it hits your bank account without the frustration of being ignored by a seller. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To request a refund for a completed PayPal payment, you'll need to contact the seller. Open your Activity tab and select the specific transaction to access the seller's contact information. Click Contact Seller to send an official message, as PayPal requires this documented attempt before you can successfully escalate to a formal dispute. Check your activity log daily to view the 2025 Refund Tracker bar, which shows the real-time status of your funds through 3 clear stages: initiated, processing, and completed. Monitor your original payment method for the credit, noting that while balance refunds are instant, bank transfers take 3 to 5 days, and credit cards can take up to 30 days or 1 full billing cycle to appear on your statement. For guest checkouts, click the View Transaction link in your original email receipt to start the refund process without an account. Always ensure you act within the 180-day window to remain eligible for a full reimbursement under PayPal's latest security policies. If the seller refuses to cooperate, then you'll need to initiate a formal dispute. Click this card now to watch our dedicated video on how to initiate a formal dispute and win your case. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card now for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.